What's up guys, welcome back to my teeny tiny channel. I'm going to show you how to replace the shift lever on a 2015 Ford Escape. They're very similar, I think from 2013 all the way up to like 18, somewhere in there. This was on Amazon, 27 bucks. Here are the simple tools you'll need. I just grabbed a couple flathead screwdrivers, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a little plastic trim tool. You'll need to pull this back into either neutral or drive. I turned the key off and then came over to the passenger side because if you have the door open or whatever, it's gonna ding, ding, ding. It's gonna drive you nuts. And it's just easier to work from the passenger side. Take your little plastic tool, pop this off, lift this up. There's gonna be 2 Phillips head screws that are on this side. I brought a towel so I could lay it over after I get this popped up so I don't lose those screws. These 2 wires down here, this one goes to your illuminated park, reverse, all that good stuff. And this one right here plugs in right here. That's for your little manual shift knob. Each one has a little tab on top. Just to press that little tab, it pulls out very easy. Once you get the assembly off, this is what it looks like. There's 2 tabs, one on this side, one on this side. Push them apart and push this down through the boot and out. Make sure you note which way it's facing on that clip in the boot. And then pull this straight out very easily like that. And then you're gonna slide your new one in. So mine came with a new clip right here, this black piece, but I don't need it because my white one is still connected to my shift boot. So I'm gonna take this part off. Make sure you take your wife's hair ties out of the shift boot. And then just put it back on the way you took it off. Plug these back in, slide your cover back down, snap it in place, and you're done. Be careful with your little plastic cover here. There are 2 tabs up front. Make sure you slip those tabs in first, up underneath, and then pop it into place. Here's the old one. All kinds of beat up from the sun and sticky and just nasty. And that's it. Hopefully this is super helpful. Something simple you can do right in your driveway. It's like 6:30 in the morning and I just knocked this out, so time to move on to some other projects. Thanks so much for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.